Hey everybody, so last couple of videos here I've gotten comments on the HU64 Lishi that people were having trouble and wanted to see some videos on that. So we've got that Lishi right here, and I did go by the junkyard and got two old Mercedes locks. This is on a 99 E-Class, and so we'll do a video on this one, and then I'll do a video on a couple days using the other one. I think it was on a 2000, 2001, but basically this is kind of like the HU101 Lishi. It's real similar to that anyway, where the way for some of them feel like they have like serrations on them. We've got to pick each one kind of multiple times. You get like a tiny click, binds again, you get a tiny click again instead of like that one nice solid click that you get on a lot of locks. So just got to kind of be patient. I use heavier tension on this particular Lishi, actually on a lot of them. And if something's binding and won't pick, you just back off a hair until it sets, and then move on and look for the next one that's binding. And of course, always remember that the tool sets the deepest cut. So if we have any 5 cuts in here, the tool will set that and they won't need to be picked. So identifying that is key to these also. I think that might be what a lot of times when people have trouble with them, it's just figuring that out. So basically, I'm going to see if I can pick this and decode it, and then we'll cut a key for it. So we'll just start here. Even numbers going down. So we'll have, odds going down, even going up. Apply kind of heavy tension on it. And just start with number 1 here. A bit of a click on 1. Okay, 2. Might be binding, but maybe not, so just leave it alone. 5, I believe, is binding. Remember, if you're not sure on 1, just skip it, because you can always go back to it. Okay, click on 5. 7 springy. Okay, 9's binding. Back off tension a hair. Nice click on 9. Go back down here. Okay, 5 binding. Click on 5. Click on 3. Click on 1. Go back and just check them all one more time here. Okay, I think 9's binding again, so click on 9 again. And heard something drop, so we'll go back. Okay, 3 dropped. Click on 3. And 1. Okay, I'll go check upstairs now. I didn't hear anything drop that time around here. Okay, so I think 2 is binding. Little click on 2. Okay, 4. See, 4 goes like half a depth there, so I'm going to leave that one alone. Click on 6. Click on 10. And I got a little bit of rotation. I don't know if you saw that or not. So we go back through here. So 10 springy, 8's binding. Got to back off tension a hair. Nice click on 8. Okay, another click on 10. Okay, 8, 6 is springy. I think 4 is going to be a 5, guys. Okay, 2 is binding. Click on 2. And we are open. So let me just adjust the camera here so we can do a little bit of decoding. And this one is spring loaded like some of them are, so it's not gonna just sit there real nice for me. All right, I hope you guys can see this. All right, should be okay. Grab a pen here. All right, so decoding, these are real straightforward. Normally decodes real accurately on these. Okay, so we got 1, 1, 3. Grab my pen here. Okay, and number 4. Okay, 4, see, is a 5. And then 5 is going to be a 3. Bang on the camera, sorry guys. Right, so we got 1, 1, 3, 5, 3 so far. And number 6 here, 4. Okay, 7 is a 5. 4, 5. Okay, number 8, we've got a 3. 9 is a 1. 10 is a 3, so 3, 1, 3. Okay. So now this is going to just spring back on me here because it is spring loaded. What we'll do here is I'll just run out to the truck here and cut a key on my Condor Dolphin, and we'll come back in and we'll see if it works. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I went out and cut a key for it. You can see the key kind of looks like an HU101 also. That was our bidding on it, 11353455313. And that's what the key actually looks like. And see if it actually is going to work for us here. So get the Lishi out of there, make sure everything's centered, pull all the way out. And moment of truth here. Alright, works perfectly. So there's a HU64 here, picking and decoding a Mercedes door lock. Questions or comments, as always, please put them in the comments. I try to answer everything. And stay tuned. I'm going to do a Volvo lock here, an HU101 lock, and then I've got one more of these Mercedes locks here. So the next video will be the HU101 probably, and then after that will be another one of these Mercedes locks with the HU64. So if you want to see more stuff like that, subscribe, hit the bell so you see when they drop. And I think that's all we got on this one. We'll talk to everybody later.